Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here once again. So today I'm going to explain to you one very important analogy about our stock market intraday trading. Now what is this analogy? It is nothing but we are comparing stock market to one particular example. So I have this habit I've been teaching from a long time, from the age of almost 16. So all my students, mostly the feedback which I get is, sir, you always give you compare it with some big examples. My wife also keep telling it. I keep comparing my whenever I teach something, I keep comparing with some other example so that you can connect to it or you can learn it more easily. Because I really believe that if you start giving examples, you can visualize it and you can understand it. So in today's video, I'm trying to give you an analogy, a comparison about our intraday stock market trading. Mind you, it is intraday stock market trading. So if at all you understand this concept which I'm trying to understand, which I'm going to teach you in a very simple method, then you will be able to be successful in stock market. You will be able to understand the secrets of making money in stock market. Okay, so stay tuned till end of the video. You will be getting full updates, and also I'll show you how exactly I'm connecting it with my trading as well. I'll show you my our trading logs as well. So how exactly I'm comparing it with stock market, all those details I'll provide you. So stay tuned till end of the video. Okay, so before going forward, people, those who have not yet subscribed to Upstock, it's a very good trading platform, the same which I'm using for my live experiment, the experiment which you're doing on the mechanical trading system, which we are teaching on the webinar. So I'm using the same trading platform. If you're not yet registered, you can use the link which I have provided in the description of this video. They have multiple packages. You have the free package as well, where you don't have to pay anything for opening your demat or trading account. But in case if you want any other additional benefits like money control or e-learn markets or free brokerages, you can subscribe to the basic or the plus or the premium package as well. Yes. Now, how many of you play games? So I'm trying to connect stock market to a game, and before that I want to know how many of you play games. So if at all I ask somebody who is around 35 to 40 years of age, they will say that no, I don't play games because they are so very busy in their work and taking care of their kids and family and etc. But I don't think this is a question for the youngsters, in the sense for the babies or kids, because I don't think babies and kids will be watching my program. But I am trying to connect today's lesson to a game which I can say 90% of you all would have played, or at least 99% of you, everyone will be knowing about this game. Okay, so in the next slide I'll reveal you the game, but the main intention is that the learnings which we are already had in our childhood, this is what I can say is stock market. Yes. And tell me, is there any one person who doesn't know about this game? That is nothing but the snake and ladder game, which most of us would have played, or at least 99% of us would have heard about it. And stock market is nothing but as simple as snake and ladder games, friends. Now come on, don't start trolling me or don't start laughing. It has got a very clear message, same like stock market. Because past I think last 1 week or something, I was just looking at my cousins who were playing this game, and then it just came to my mind that wow, this is what I do in stock market as well. This is exactly stock market, and all what is happening. So it means that from her childhood also we are playing the same game. It's only that we are not able to connect the dots. Okay, so let me just explain to you. Just have a careful observation. Yes, so person who is starting from 1, he rolls the dice. So you know that the result of dice, we don't know whether it is going to come 1 or whether it is going to come 2 or whether it is going to come 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, anything of that sort we don't know, right? The same way in stock market, you can't predict the direction of market. You don't know whether you're going to get profit tomorrow, you're going to get 1000 rupees profit or 2000 rupees or 3000 or 4000, or whether you're going to make loss. Nothing of that sort. Now this, just think this, 1 to 100 is your trading days in stock market. Yes, 1 to 100 is going to be a stock market trading days, or nothing like you can say your 100 days challenge in stock market. So these days, okay, I don't want to reveal that, it's a separate thing. Okay, so let us come back to this. Now when you're starting with 1 2 3 4, here you can see that on the 4th, if at all you're putting 4, you get a big profits and you're jumping directly to 14. This is nothing but same which are happening in the stock market. You don't know when you're going to get big profit. So someday when you have luck, okay, when you have luck, your capital which was supposed to go to only 4 will directly jump to 14,000. Yes, we don't have any control over it. But again, the same way you'll be continuing with small profits, small profits. Again, you can see here, if at all you get on the ninth one, you'll get a good profits and you'll jump to 31. But again, if you're not getting that, you'll continue, and you know, if you at all you get 17, you're going to come back to 7. This is nothing but your same trading loss which you're having. So if at all you come here and you make a loss, so you can see here from 17 it has come to 7, so it means that you got a 10 points loss, or if at all you're comparing this with the amount, your amount is coming from 17 rupees to 7 rupees. Yes, you got the point. But the important point which many people misses here is that when we used to play the snake and ladder game, we used to continue playing even if the snake bites. Yes, you come to 7, again you start rolling the dice, you play, again you come to 17, again you make loss, you'll come back 7. But when it comes to real life trading, when the snake bites 2 times or 3 times, many people quit here and then they start with a new strategy again with one. Again they will come here, they might cross all this, they'll come here, they'll get the snake bite, they'll come back to 34, again they'll get the snake bite, they'll come back to 34. And this is what is happening with many of them whom I'm in touch. And when I was seeing this game and my cousins were playing this last week, I just started connecting the dots. Friends, this is stock market is as simple as this. This is a game of probability, theory of probability. Okay, you don't know what is going to be the result. You don't know whether you're going to get profits or whether you're going to get losses or whether you're going to get big profits or all those things. We don't know. Only one thing which is clear cut in a stock market is the amount of loss. So I can say this, in the snake and ladder game, you can see there's a big snake here. Yeah, where's a big snake? Yeah, from 87 it has come to 36, almost 50 points down. But in this case you can see from 17 to 7 there is 7 points down. So when it comes to our real game of stock market, we just keep a fixed loss. We know that we are going to lose only 10 points. Whichever snake bites, we are only going to come down 10 points. But when we get this kind of ladders, you can see this ladder is jumping from 21 to 40, 21 points. But this ladder you can see from 28 is jumping to 84 points, almost 56 points profit. This is the game of probability, friends. Let me just show you our stock market trading as well. This is our trade log. Why am I showing this screen? Because almost many of you know about this, many of you are following it, and all the webinar students are trading the same thing. This is our trade log, and don't you think the same kind of comparison is happening in our stock market? So whenever you have to just roll the dice daily, just think like this, you just have to trade the same thing daily, nothing else. Don't give up. So you can see in the first day itself I got a small snake bite, I came down, but again second day I continued, it went up. Third day I got a big ladder. You can see that instead of, okay, I'll just show you the graph, it will give a more big clarity. Yes, so this is a graph of our daily trades which is happening, and you can see these are all these small profits we can see are all the small dice. That is a 1 or 2 or 2 you can see it. You can also, friends, connected with the cricket match as well, which is what I'm doing in these days on my WhatsApp status, when we're getting the 1s and 2s and 3s and all those things. But the big sixes, or we can see the big ladders you can see here, these are the big ladders which you are getting. Okay, so if at all you see this is the big ladder which we got. Okay, but nobody can predict when it will come. It will come on any days, so the only thing which you have to do is keep rolling the dice daily. And when it comes to losses, you can see I have not gone more than 5% of my losses. My losses are capped. My losses are limited to this. You can see the graph here, the lower bottoms are small, but whereas the bigger graphs are big. So these kind of big days are what is going to save us from all these small losses, and we will come back successful in stock market. So remember, one thing is you just have to keep rolling the dice, nothing else. Don't stop trading if at all you get like these kinds of snakes, and also make sure that your snakes are limited. I'll just show you the trade log as well. So here was a day on 25th August. You can see I got 3 continuous snake bites. Yes. So a person who's investing big amounts and seeing such big losses, you can see almost I got 1 lakh rupees I have lost on this 3 days. You can see here, yeah, the sum is coming to almost 1 lakh rupees. So anyone who is trading or anyone who sees such kind of big losses will quit trading. Friends, this is the reason why I am doing all these trades live, and also giving you the summaries on month end, showing you trade log and all those things. Because becoming success in trade and stock market is not about continuous profits. You get these kinds of losses. Only thing is you have to cut these losses, okay? And then you can see a very big profit has come, which is almost recovered 70% of our losses. You can see here overall it has come down to 24,000. So this is nothing but a snake and ladder game, friends. We got a snake bite, back to back, back to back, back to back profits, again two snake bites, again we got profits, again continuous three snake bites. We never left the game, we continue, just start rolling the dice. You can see again we got profits. So when we continue to roll the dice daily, I'll just show you the summary sheet, you'll get a better understanding. Average P&L per trade, you can see, is showing as 13,312. So what does it mean? It means that you just have to come and roll the dice daily, and you will be getting 13,000 rupees profit daily. So if at all you miss one day trading, you are going to miss 13,000 rupees profit. This is the logic, very simple. Now remove everything, that is one day I'm getting profit, one day I'm getting loss, nothing. This statistic says that this average P&L trade tells that just come and blindly do your trades daily, and the average is 13,000 rupees profit you're getting. So you can see almost average of loss is coming 20,000, profit is coming 44,000, all those things are there. But this is the most important thing, friends. Average P&L per trade, we get 13,000 rupees every day. We just have to trade. It's like, say for example, you're playing a cricket match, and if somebody tells you go there and just wag your bat, just keep swinging your bat, nothing else. Don't go into look whether it is a bouncer, don't go whether and look it is a yorker or offside, like say, nothing of that. So just keep go and wag your bat, that is swing your bat. You will be getting 4 4 4 4 4 all the times you just swing your bat. If you don't swing your bat, you will not get anything. As simple as that example. You just have to trade daily, and each trade which I am doing, I am getting 13,000 rupees profit. How? Because I am getting few days average loss of so much and few days average profit of so much. All that average is coming down to 13,000 rupees profit. So friends, this is the trade log which we are doing, the live experiment of our webinar strategy which we are doing, and you can see almost we have completed 1 month now. We started on August 10th. I'll just show you the date exactly. August 12th, okay, our first trade, that is, we can almost say it was 7900. On 13th August we started, and today almost date is of the same date on 14th September, 1 month, and you can see this is the result we have got, that is 36% returns with an accuracy of 50-50 only. Yes, so this is the reason why I'm saying, just if at all you next time you feel that you're making loss in stock market, don't give up. You just have to wait for this kind of big ladders. My trades were successful. I was able to make money in this because I had few big profits like this. You can see 1 lakh over here or 77,000 here. See, apart from that, all of the things are small things only. Only a few days, or 1 or 2 or 3 days only, we got these big profits. That is nothing but these big ladders which you can see here. We don't know when it is going to come because it's a theory of probability. But one thing which I know very well is that the snakes, wherever I get, I will only come down by 5%, or worst case 5%. Although my single trades I keep only maximum 1 to 2% loss, but worst cases I might come back to 5% loss. Okay friends, so hope this today's lesson was really very simple to make you understand the game of stock market. Just understand this analogy, the concept, and it will really help you to make money in stock market. Okay, any other doubts, any other confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.